welcome to my backyard. Let's warm up. Come on.
Jump up and down if you have
Let's go,
the
jump up
energy.
and down.
You have the energy.
Let's see you
You
jumping up and
have the
down.
energy. Jump up
Good
and
job.
down if you have the energy.
Keep going.
You have the
Yeah.
energy.
All right, let's
Go
see what's
on
next.
and jump to the left.
All right, we're going.
Jump to the right.
Come on, jump with me.
Wave your hands up high, high, high. Go on and jump to the front.
All right, everybody jumping.
Jump to the back.
Nice.
Wave your hands up high.
High. Nice and high.
Tiptoe
All right.
around if you have
Get your
the
feet up
energy.
really, really
You
high.
have the energy.
Tiptoe like you mean
You
it.
have the energy. Tiptoe
Like the soccer ball's
around
under
if
him.
You
Tiptoe.
have the energy.
Good job.
You have the energy.
You guys have the energy.
Go on and jump to the left.
Okay.
Jump to the right.
Good jumping.
Wave your hands up high, high, high. Go on and
Ready?
jump to the front.
Big jump.
Jump to the back.
Good job.
Wave your hands up high.
Oh, nice.
Fly like a bird.
Oh, here we go. Come with me.
You have the energy. You have the energy. You have the energy. Fly like a bird. You have the energy. You have the energy. Go on and jump to the left. Jump to the right. Wave your hands up high, high, high.
Come on,
Go
jump.
on and jump to the front. Jump to the back. Wave your hands up high. Turn all around if you have the energy. You have the energy.
This is a good
You
workout for
have
me.
the energy. Turn all around.
turn.
if You
Big
have
turn.
the energy.
Woo.
You have the energy. Go on and jump to the left. Jump to the right. Wave your hands up high, high, high. Go on and jump to the front. Jump to the back. Wave your hands up high.